Hello and welcome viewers, I am Salt Daddy and I'm turning into tomato. It's super hot outside but I'm going to do some bacon for a late breakfast. So we started the fire, I'm going to show you now how to start the fire, and we are going to use a LifeSpace cast iron griddle. So one side is for steaks normally and the other one is a flat side with a nice little groove here to pick up all the fat. We're going to use streaky bacon and salted butter because we love sodium here and fuck our health, right? So start the fire, wait 30 minutes, and then we're gonna do the bacon. Bacon on fire is just next level. You can do it in a pan, but honestly, why use olive oil? Why use a pan? No, do it outside if you can. It's a nice bit of diversity from just doing it in the kitchen. Get outside a bit, suntan lotion, use it. Should probably take that tip as well. That's all you're going to need is some extra salt as well with the butter and the streaky bacon. We're going to do 2 packs here because we're not afraid of some fat and cholesterol. So as you can see, I've already stacked the fire and the size is exactly what I need for my cast iron griddle. So now I'm going to light the fire. I'm going to use a there we go. I like using 2 pieces just to make sure. Sometimes the wood you buy is wet. Everyone's been there. Your fire doesn't start. Use the 1 piece to light the other piece. I guess we're going to go like this now. There we go. And then pack a few more pieces of wood in there as well, and maybe a few planks just to light it up quickly and efficiently. So you're going to want to burn this out completely, and then when there's just a bit of coals left, you're going to put on the griddle. You could also leave a bit of flame. I'll show you in a bit. While we wait, let me know which way you like stacking your fire. Is it this Jenga square style or is it more of a pyramid style?
A few moments later.
I've put a few bricklets in between the wood that's burnt out and a little backup fire. The reason I use these planks is because if there's no more fire, then there's smoke, and we don't want a lot of smoke. Put your cast iron griddle on it, just like that, balancing it in between for maximum space. There we go. And that's it. Don't be a dick, just throw in salted butter. Oh yes, now you can hear it toasting. That's exactly what we want. Don't worry if anything jumps out. It's just a bit of fire. This is going to go fast. And I do believe we should add a bit more salt as well. Just because I am Salt Daddy and well, that's the whole brand, right? So extra salt on the bacon. This is smoked beechwood bacon. Okay, this looks good. Okay, so keep it on one side for a bit longer. You want it crispy after all. Adding salt. This is salted butter, bacon, and more salt. Oh yes. Just stay away there because it is pretty hectic here. There we go. It's very hot. It's super hot. You could even use some gloves here. Wind coming up, fuck that. We're men, we don't care about a bit of ash, right? You're South African. Look at how beautiful that is, right? Oh yes! Look at that crisp. Now this is beautiful. This is crispy. This is exactly what you want.
A few moments later.
Oh yes. It's not burnt, it's the butter, don't worry. Have you ever done bacon on a fire and cast iron griddle before? Let us know in the comment section below. Fuck the flies, right? So I don't do anything to make the pan non-stick. This cast iron griddle comes pre-seasoned, so it's already have this non-stick element. It's not perfect, but I mean, for this heat and streaky bacon, I give it an 8 out of 10. Really, it's pretty good. Oh yes, there we go. This is the end result. It's crispy. It's not going to be runny, of course, but it's nice and crispy, buttery, and their bacon really crisps up nicely. Go listen to that. Okay, so if you'd like to see more, remember to like and subscribe. This is just the start of our braai series. We're going to do a lot more outside on the fire food for you, and yeah, until next time, enjoy.